This edger blade needs to be replaced. This is about the size that it needs to be when you need to replace it. I see a lot of people replacing this early, so I'm gonna teach you how to edge when this thing is low. Most of the time, you can go directly down. The wheel needs to be on the concrete and it gives you a nice edge. When it's really low like that or shorter, you have to kind of you gotta bow the edger out away from you, okay? To get a nice clean cut to where it's still rubbing along the concrete. Now, I don't have a screwdriver right now, but if you look very closely here, there's a circle. If you spin this, it will line up to a hole that you can stick a skinny screwdriver in, so that way this thing doesn't spin when you're trying to get it off. But in this scenario, I'm just gonna grab it with pliers to stop it from spinning, and then I'm gonna use our tool. It's a reverse thread, which means you actually have to, as if you're tightening it, twist it to where it's almost getting tightened to actually get it off. All right, so this is what it should look like when you need to replace it. We're gonna go ahead and put a halfway used blade on. This is halfway used, it still has life on it. We're gonna put our piece back on, and then we're gonna put our bolt. Now remember, it has to go opposite. It's a reverse thread on this due to the way that it actually spins. We're also going to grab it with our pliers.